In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a countdown timer on Wix Studio. To get started, open your Wix Studio editor and make sure you are on the page where you want the countdown timer to appear. This is important because the timer will be added directly into your current design. And placing it on the right page from the beginning can save you time later. Once you are inside the editor, look over to the left-hand vertical toolbar and click on Add Market, which is represented by the shopping bag icon. This is where you can browse and install apps or elements that add extra functionality to your site. If you are not seeing it right away, just take a moment to scan the toolbar carefully, because the icon can be easy to miss if you are new to the Wix Studio interface. After opening the market, use the search bar and type in Countdown Timer. When the results appear, select the Countdown Timer app that matches what you need. At this stage, it's a good idea to confirm that you've selected the correct app before moving forward, especially if multiple similar options appear in the search results. Next, click Add to Site. After that, you will be prompted to agree and add the app so it can receive the permissions it needs to function properly on your website. Go ahead and confirm this step. These permissions are a normal part of the installation process and allow the timer to be added and managed correctly inside your project. Once you've done that, wait a few seconds for the app to fully load onto your page. Depending on your internet speed or the complexity of your site, this may take a little longer. So just give it a moment. It's best not to click around too much during this part, so the installation can finish smoothly. When the countdown timer has been added to your page, click Settings on the placed element. This is where you can customize the timer to match your needs. You will be able to adjust the target date and time, which is especially useful if you are counting down to a launch, promotion, event, or deadline. You can also update the appearance so the timer fits the style of your website, helping it look more polished and consistent with the rest of your design. Take a moment to review your changes and make sure everything looks the way you want before continuing with the rest of your site edits. Thanks for watching.